Hello guys, welcome back again to this channel where we make yummy, delicious and nice food. In today's video I'll be showing you how I prepared this sweet bean sauce with a twist. So if you are interested, please come with me. This is the beans I will be using today, not your regular beans. In a clean pan, I will add my vegetable oil. You can use any type of oil, and then I'll allow to hot, and then add my onions and go ahead to stir this up. And I will also add my fresh pepper, which I blend, and stir this up as well. Next, I will be adding my washed big crayfish and stir this up. And then I'll go ahead to add blend crayfish, and I will give all this a stir. The next thing I will be adding is my cooked stew. I already cooked it down. I'll add this as well, and then give everything a stir. I will then go ahead to cover this up to cook for 2 to 3 minutes, and then open up the pot. Next, I will be adding my bell pepper, yellow bell pepper. You can use any type. I'll go ahead to stir this up as well and allow this to cook for some minutes. And next thing I'll be doing is to add my beans. These are all my beans. I will be adding these beans. Please, when you open it from the can, don't just put it straight ahead. Make sure you use warm water to rinse it off, and then you add it to your food or whatever you are cooking. I will then go ahead to cover this up and open up again. I cook that for 1 to 2 minutes. Now I'll be adding salt. I'll go ahead to add Maggi as well. And the next thing I'll be adding my corn, sweet corn, and give this a stir. If you have watched so far, please don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like and share. Thank you. On the other hand, I'll go ahead to fry my plantain. I'll add some vegetable oil into my pan and allow to hot, and then go ahead and fry my plantain. Now that one side of the plantain is cooked, I'll go ahead to flip up the other side. Allow to fry for 1 to 2 minutes, and then I'll go ahead and take it off the oil. Guys, our bean sauce is ready. You can pair this up with yam, fried plantain, with rice, potato, with anything of your choice. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in my next video. Bye.